How to swap the battery in a Vortex Strike Eagle 1-8. So on this thing, the battery is on this side, but it's nice that there's a spare battery on this side. So if you don't have one and you're at the range, you can actually take that off, and there's a spot for a spare battery right there. And as you can see, mine's missing, so I'm actually going to put a spare in there. So this, what the type battery uses, is a CR2032, and so you can put that spare in there. That's great. But then to swap the actual battery, you're going to do this. You're going to undo this side, and there is a little thing here, so you can use a flathead screwdriver or even the round edge of a shell casing if you don't have a flathead screwdriver handy. And then this, you just pull that out and then pitch that. Go ahead and grab your new one right here, throw that thing in there, and then screw it on. Nice and easy. Just do it nice and tight, just with your fingers. There's no real need to get a tool out to really wail on it. Okay, there you go. Quick and easy battery swap. If you got any other questions, comments, or jokes, insults, please put in the comment section below. As always, guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.